Yes, good morning, students. Welcome back to our class that is International Business. Today we are going to uh, go with the new topic that is contract manufacturing, and the next one is assembly operations. See, some companies first we'll go with the contract manufacturing. What does it mean? How it works? Some important companies outsource their part of the or entire production and concentration on marketing operations. This practice is called the contract manufacturing or outsourcing. The manufacturing uh, is responsible, that means the manufacturing responsibility is restricted to production. So the contract manufacturing differs from licensing with respect to the legal relationship of the firms involved. Contract manufacturing is chosen for countries with a low volume market potential combined with tariff protection. Usually, contract manufacturing is an employed one. An international company availing itself to their method to entry depends on its products. Then the last one is the system is responsible for sales and promotion and distribution of the product. See here, contract manufacturing is nothing but it's a business model in which a firm hires a contract manufacturer to produce components or final products based on the hiring firm's design. So a business model where a firms hire another firm to produce components of products are known as contract manufacturing. Now, what other things are involved in contract manufacturing? The contract manufacturing involves outsourcing a product's manufacturing process to a trusted manufacturer or manufacturer. So what is happening to a trusted manufacturer? They will give the orders to manufacture the goods. So the engineers from the company seeking services will provide complete drawings and documentation, and the contract manufacturing will then manufacture the product from start to finish, therefore taking the production burden off of companies. So these are the certain things where it is going to be functional. See, this is the picture of the partnership in contract manufacturing. See what is happening here. The dialogue is taking place. That means, what are you looking for, and is it a fit for both of us or not? They will have a question in their minds, and they will interact with each other, and they will think of it. Now, making your concept or formula plant ready. That means R&D department will be there, and they will go for the trials. Then the terms will be there. That means reaching an agreement between the both parties are two peoples that suits everyone involved. So how many people are working together? That means that both the companies should have to work together for building up a relationship and to reaching the agreement. Then the last one is product made in email. That means what are the production is taking place, or the product made is taking place. It should have to come first in the design shape, and it should to get finalized on the higher authorized people. So this is the process of contract manufacturing. Now, see, the process under which a company does not manufacturing its product and outsourcing for manufacturing is known as contract manufacturing. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this? Just we learn today. Please have a look on the screen. First, we'll go with the advantages. Economics of scale is going to be increased, and more focus on the selling activities will be there, and quality products will be there, saving cost will be there, easy energy in the market can be available. And coming to the disadvantages, the quality issues will be there, because the manufacturer is making some quality, and the contract manufacturing is making or giving a different quality. So what is happening? Chances are there that they can lose the name or fame in the market. Now, lacks of control. The control is lagging from the higher authorized people to the lower authorized people, and from lower authorized people to the higher authorized people. It is like chain. You should take care. Then, lack of flexibility, delay in delivery, outsourcing problems. What is happening? Flexibility will not be there, and the delivery of the goods will be reaching to the unknown person or to the wrong person, and it is becoming a very risk. Next thing is delay in delivery. So whatever the goods will be there, it is going to be delayed in delivery. That means the goods are delivering in delay, outsourcing problems will be there. So there are certain things where we have to take place. Now coming to the assembly operation, this is another topic. See, assembly operation is nothing but it is the international firm locates the portion of the manufacturing process in the foreign country. The portion of the work will be run in the foreign countries for bringing the production. Now, assembly operation is a compromise between exporting in foreign manufacturing goods. The term are the firm produce domestically all or not most of the components or ingredients of its product and ships them to foreign markets to be put together as a finished product. So the term itself is showing that assembly consists only of the last stages of manufacturing and depends on the steady supply of components and manufactured parts to be shipped in from another country. Now, operations assembly usually involves heavy use of labor under or rather than extensive investment in capital outlets or equipments. Just if you have a look here, what is happening, how the process is taking place from the lobby to the final good. So the companies take the advantage of low range caused by shifting the labor intensive operations to the foreign market. So the result is lower final price of the product. Then, so motor vehicle manufacturers have made extensive use of assembly operations in numerous countries. So General Motors has maintained major integrated production only in the US, in Germany, UK, Brazil, and Australia. These are the countries where they are growing high in the market with the help of the assembly operations. Now, two or more separate parts are joined to form a new entry is nothing but operations, assembling the parts for operating the machine. So the types of assembly operations are joining process, mechanical assembly method. These are the two processes of assembly operations. The first one is joining operations. What is happening? Create a permanent joint like welding, brazing, soldering, outer adhesive bending or bonding. Then mechanical assembly, what is happening? Fastening by mechanical methods, threaded fasteners like screws, bolts and nuts, press, lifting, expansion, lifts. All these are the things will be there where it is taking place in the assembly operations. Now, if you see here how the people are assembling a lorry, how it is assembling in one part and all are working together for a short span of time to manufacture a big vehicle to run on the road. So these are the certain things we have to be very careful while running it in the market. So we have completed our two topics today in the class. One is contract manufacturing, next one is assembly operations. Yes. So very soon in this month we are, maybe not in this month, I can say 10 more days. It's there that I will complete my third unit. Please mention your roll numbers in the comment box. Thank you.